So we've had a chance to meet a lot of amazing people by touring full time. We've been on the road for like, I don't know, 8 or 9 years now. And through a couple of shows here in Beulah actually in 2019 and a couple of shows in Kalamazoo, I met this amazing musician. His name is Miles. He's 13 years old and he plays cello and guitar. And he asked if I would teach him lessons for guitar, and I said, yeah, of course. So we've been meeting on Zoom, and we've been working on this next song together. It's a song that was on one of our very first albums. The song is called The Sound a Watch Makes When Enveloped in Cotton. And I'm excited to see. He's going to sit in on this one, and we're going to jam out. So how about a big round of applause for Miles? Everything is so cold. So fast. Blood side, you got one shot.